Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python to make games. Start by mastering Python basics, including variables, loops, and functions. Then, dive into game-specific libraries. Pygame is an excellent choice for two-dimensional games, offering tools for graphics, sound, and user input. Focus on building small projects to solidify your understanding and gain practical experience. Once you have a solid grasp of Python, explore specialized libraries. Pygame is widely used for two-dimensional games, providing functions for sprites, collision detection, and event handling. For more complex projects or cross-platform needs, Kivy is a great option. If you're aiming for three-dimensional games, consider Panda 3D, which offers advanced rendering and physics capabilities. A structured learning path is crucial. Follow online tutorials and courses that guide you through building various game types. Consistent practice is key. Dedicate at least 1 hour daily to coding. Start with simple games like Pong or Tic-Tac-Toe, then gradually increase complexity. Engaging with developer communities can provide valuable feedback and motivation, helping you overcome challenges. To elevate your game development skills, delve into advanced topics. Study game design patterns, such as the observer pattern, and optimization techniques to ensure smooth performance. Explore artificial intelligence for non-player characters and networking for multiplayer experiences. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your space fresh while you code.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.